Please, please don't make me look ashy. Please do not make me look ashy. Oh my god. Hi everyone, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back sitting right here filming for you guys. I am just so happy. In this video I am going to be doing a full face makeup tutorial using Avon products. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll definitely see you guys all in my next video. Enjoy! So the first item I'm going to go in with is the Magic Face Primer by MAC, and it looks like this, so I'm just going to put that all over my face. So it comes out white like this. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit like face moisturizer. It's a bit, yes, it's like face moisturizer. So I'm just going to put that all over my face like that. I'm now going to go in with the Perfect Brow Styling Duo, and I believe I got this in deep brown, so I'm going to go in with this to do my eyebrows. That's what it looks like. With this, it comes with the wax, so you basically use the wax to set your brows before putting the powder on it. So let's go out, and it comes with a little angle brush as well to do your brows with it. I'm going to go in with my brown eye pencil so I can just give my brows some shape before filling it in. So I'm just gonna brush it up. Okay, now that I've got the shape that I want, I'm gonna go in with the brow kit from Avon and just fill in my brows with it. But before I start, I'm just gonna use the wax to just help set my brows into place. Okay, this is good, yes. Kind of like the whole idea of this. So I purchased two of the concealers from Avon. So I got it in deep, and I believe I got it in medium as well. So I'm just going to use the medium one now to just clean up underneath my eyebrows. I'm gonna now go in with my foundation, and this is the Flawless Cream to Powder foundation, and I got it in the shade Walnut because from looking at the pictures before I placed the order, this looked like this looks like it was gonna be the only shade that matches my skin tone. So hopefully it does match my skin. So this is what the foundation looks like, and it comes with this sponge as well. So I'm gonna use the sponge to apply it onto my face. Okay, so in terms of the colour, it's actually okay. It's actually okay. Going with the concealer again and just highlight all the areas that I need to highlight. So with this concealer, right, this is like literally the only shade that I could get, because if I got the shade below this, my face will come out looking super ashy and stuff. And then, so yeah, Avon do need to add some more shades, because obviously not everyone is the same shade, but the concealer feels great. Feels really great. Ooh, yes, Avon, yes. Yes. I like I like the way the concealer feels. And I like the fact that it's like this, so it's easy to just put on as well. So you just basically, you know, put it underneath your eyebrows. It's not very like difficult. It's like tapered to fit certain areas. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend in the concealer. Okay, so this is blending in well. So now I'm going to use this to do my eyeshadow, and this is the natural shade. These are all natural shades. I'm going to use number 1, as it says. I'm going to use the first one here to just set underneath my brow. I'm going to use the second colour. I'm going to use the second colour here to just put in my crease. I'm going to use the third colour and I'm just going to put that on my lid. Okay, how does this look like on camera? I really don't know. I'm going to use shade 4 and I'm just going to put it on the outer V of my eyelids to just create a bit of, to just intensify it a bit. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner now and just line my eyes with it. Now I'm going to go in with my darker concealer to contour. And this is like the darkest shade Avon has got, by the way. This powder is very, very white like that, but it's supposed to be suitable for all skin tones. Okay, so here we go. Please, 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 please don't make me look ashy. Please do not make me look ashy. Oh my god. Oh, this just looks like baby powder. Oh my god. I'm not gonna let this bake at all because I'm just scared it's gonna be ashy and just ruin the whole look. So I'm just gonna dab it in. I'm gonna go and set the other side as well. Do I look like really powdery? Please comment down below and let me know. Is it making me look like really powdery? Because I really don't know right now. I really don't know. I really don't know. Avon, don't do this to me. Avon, do not do this to me. I was really loving how the whole tutorial is going. I was really loving it, so I hope it's still coming out good. Please comment down below if this is making me look ashy, because I'm not about to start 2018 looking all ashy. Hell no. I'm gonna go in with my contouring powder to just set all the areas that I contoured. So to set the whole thing up, I'm going to be using the Avon Flawless Mattifying Press Powder to just set the whole makeup up, and this is in the colour Neutral Deep. I'm really hoping this just like brings everything together, you know, because I don't want to look ashy. I do not want to look ashy at all. Okay, not bad, not bad. Yes, Avon, you could be saving me some money, huge amount of money. I'm going with my sleek blush now because I obviously did not buy any blush. I forgot to, so yeah, let's go in with my sleek blush. Right, so I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Set Spray to just make sure my whole makeup stays in place. I'm going to line my lips up. Going with this Liquid Lip Shine by Avon. Okay, this is nice. Okay. Okay, this is nice. I love the color. I love the color. This is so nice. This is the finished look and I really do like it, and I do hope that in the future Avon does provide even more variety of foundations, a variety of concealers to obviously cater to women who are a deeper skin tone like myself. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Actually, I enjoyed creating this look, so let me know what you guys think of this look, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Love you, bye. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do check out my previous video. If you have got this far and you haven't yet subscribed, please do click on my picture to subscribe. What did you say, darling? I think that means subscribe.